Are you tired of constantly searching for an outlet? Then you need to see why the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution. Imagine keeping your iPhone alive for 6 entire charges. That's what this incredible power bank delivers. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it's designed to keep all your devices powered through multiple days, perfect for travel or busy schedules. But what truly sets it apart is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device for the fastest, safest charge possible every single time. Plus, its dual USB ports mean you can juice up 2 devices simultaneously, a lifesaver for anyone with multiple gadgets on the go. This isn't just any battery pack. It's a reliable, smart power companion engineered for unmatched efficiency and durability. If you're ready to buy the best portable charger and want to see current pricing, check the Amazon link in the description below. Stop worrying about low battery warnings and embrace true power freedom with this game-changing device. For anyone serious about staying charged in 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute must-have.